this video, I am going to explain how does Robinhood Cash Card work? The Robinhood Cash Card is a debit card connected to a Robinhood spending account. It works like a regular debit card, but adds a few unique features to blend spending with investing. You can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted, including online and through digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. One of the card's standout features is the Roundup program. When you make a purchase, Robinhood rounds the amount up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference into stocks or crypto you choose. Sometimes they'll even match a portion of that roundup with a bonus, between 10% and 100%. You can also earn cash back automatically at select merchants, with no need to activate deals beforehand. If you get your paycheck deposited directly into your Robinhood spending account, you can opt to automatically invest a portion of it, and you might even get paid up to 2 days early. There are no monthly fees, no overdraft charges, and no minimum balance requirements. Your money is protected with MasterCard's fraud protection and FDIC insurance up to $250,000 through their partner banks. You can also instantly freeze your card in the app if anything suspicious happens. To get started, you just need a Robinhood account. From there, you can request the card and start using the spending account.